Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2014 Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited. This is the E-Tech engine as well, and it's the crew van. So it's got 6 seats. And before I start, you're going to ask me, Graham, has that got VAT on it? And I'm going to tell you, no. This van is VAT free, so if you were a private man and you have always fancied a Transit Custom crew van, 6 seats this one, not 5, 6 seats, metallic paint, limited edition, this is the one for you. Lovely mileage, in super condition, so let's have a look around it. Now this van, we take it in part exchange last week, and it's in absolutely wonderful order. The paintwork's in great condition, Pistachio metallic paintwork this one's called, and it sits on the limited 16-inch alloy wheels, and they're all in wonderful condition. Now this van has got, as you can see there, the pop-up roof rack from Ford. Now that is a lovely option, just pull the brackets down, they fold into the roof then. Got the privacy glass. Then as we come round the front, you can see that it's got the ST decals on there, or Shelby stripes, whichever you want to call them. Limited has front and rear parking sensors as standard, but then this one has the reversing camera as well. So in the rear view mirror, you've got a reversing camera. But just take a look at the paintwork on it. It's in absolutely super order. This van, obviously 2014, 9 years old, just over 60,000 miles. You can tell it's had a very easy life. All the wheels are in lovely order. We've got mud flaps, we've got colour-coded bodywork all the way around. But when you take a look down the side of the van, just look at that. You can tell somebody has really cherished it. A couple of little marks on the petrol cap there, but nothing that would detract from buying this vehicle. A lovely piece of kit. Now when I get round the back, you'll see that we've got the boot spoiler on, or tailgate spoiler on top of the doors. And then we've got the reversing camera situated down here on the number plate plinth. Now, when I open the rear doors, just take a look in the back. Now, I'm going to show you that floor. Look at that floor. Now, that is a 9-year-old floor in a van. It's fully carpeted, and just look at that, tailor-made. Got the window in the back there. Somebody has taken real care to do this. Even the roof is all nicely done. Take a look at that. Doesn't seem to have had much traffic in here. So as a private vehicle with no VAT, this would be ideal. Just think about going camping in this. All your gear, your barbecue, your bikes, your tents. The back doors, this is the telltale sign. Just look at the back doors. They're in lovely condition. No real damage or anything at all. And then as we look around, the plastics on there, they're all in super order. This is where I look, and I've been doing this job now 30 years. And that is in super condition. You can tell somebody has looked after this van. 2 keys with it. I like the decal, I like that. ST, Shelby stripe, however you want to call it. But it is a very clean van. As clean as you'll find, let me tell you. The first man that comes and views this, if you want to view it, will buy it. Just look at it. All the tyres are really good. All fantastic tread on those. Mud flapped up. But as I say, privacy glass. Let's slide this door back and then just look at that there. 3 seats. Imagine your kids all sat in there on the way on the holidays, surfboards on the roof, and then look at the carpets. Look at them. I'm going to say it again, this is a 9-year-old Transit, but just take a look at the condition of that interior. Now you can tell that it's not been arduous. No cigarette burns, no plucks, tears, no paint, no sealer, no building materials. The roof lining is in lovely order. Just take a look at it. Wow. You can put a deposit on this off this video. Then as I open that driver's door, the Limited has power folding door mirrors, electric windows, remote central locking, driver's heated seat. Look at the floors there, lovely condition. Look at the pedals, not damaged or anything that would show that this has had a hard life. Look at the entrance area, just my footprints there. But then again, automatic headlamps, full leather trimmed, multi-function steering wheel with Bluetooth function, 64,761 miles. He says as I get 2 keys out my pocket, I'm going to start it up for you. Now the Limited has heated front windscreen as well. We then get air conditioning. We then have 6-speed transmission. The mirror, as if by magic, when I select reverse, becomes the reverse camera. There we go. Take it out to reverse, put it in first, it'll stay on and then go off as you take first. Put it in reverse. There we go. How about that? And then you've got the parking sensors that will light up then on the radio controls. Underneath the top of the dash, we've got a 12-volt and an auxiliary connector, so you can put your phone in there. And then effectively, what a lovely dash layout that is. Onboard computer, fuel trip computer, as you can see. You can adjust that all the way through as you're going along. Come across then and go to different information, trip, settings. Simple, easy to use. Driver's seat, passenger seats are all in immaculate order. Lift that seat up like so, and this then pops up and you've got further storage underneath that seat. Put your sandwiches and everything like that. Look at that. Can't fault that, can you? Very, very well thought out, these customs. But yeah, I don't know what more I can say than other than what a fantastic, fantastic van. Look at that. No VAT again, so we're 20% cheaper. So it's not like you've got to find that VAT to give the tax man. It's not, it's there. Just look at it. That is as good as I've seen on a 14-plate Transit Custom. Crew van, 6 seats, roof rack on the top that you can pop down, reversing camera, parking sensors front and rear load liner, all carpeted. That is ready for this year's holidays. So don't delay, get on the phone. There's going to be a lot of upset people on this one because you'll have watched this video, then you'll think, I'm going to buy that, and we'll have already taken a deposit on it and it'll all have been gone. So don't delay, you need to be on the phone on this one very, very quick. So I'm Graham, we've got Lee and Dom on sales. Check out our reviews, check out our social media, like us, share us. Our vehicles are all fully serviced if required, MOT if required, they're all guaranteed, they're all inspected to the highest of standard. 2 keys with it, the Bookpack's in the glove box. A wonderful, wonderful looking vehicle. Give me a call, but as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.